VIVE Host is a simple yet powerful solution designed to help any organization manage XR devices and deliver immersive, engaging content, all from a single tablet. It supports VIVE XR Elite, VIVE Focus Vision, and VIVE Focus 3. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up and use VIVE Host for your needs. First, download and install the VIVE Host app on your iPad or Android tablet. Open VIVE Host on your tablet and sign in with your HTC account. Enter your activation code and tap Submit. Enter a name for your organization, then enter a name for your first group. In device type, select the headset that will be used in the group. Read the terms of use in the agreement, and then tap Accept and Continue. To add more groups, just tap on the upper left. Select Create New and follow the same steps as before. You can separate groups into distinct units by creating several organizations and assigning groups to different ones. You'll need to acquire from HTC a different activation code for each organization added to VIVE Host. To add a new organization, just tap on the upper left and select Create New. After entering and submitting the activation code, tap the organization field and select Create New. Then follow the same steps as before to create the organization. Add the headsets to each of the groups that you will manage in VIVE Host. Here's how. Select the group to which you want to add headsets. Tap the Device Management tab and then tap Add Device. Enter a device name for the headset and the Wi-Fi settings of your wireless network. Next, tap Generate QR Code. Turn on and put on the headset. Then open Settings, go to Advanced, and select MDM Setup. QR Code to enable the QR code scanner. Or press the headset button 3 times to enable the QR code scanner if the headset has been turned on for the first time or after a factory reset. Next, scan the QR code shown on the VIVE Host screen to enroll the headset. Repeat the above steps to add more headsets to the group. Please take note that VIVE Focus Vision and VIVE Focus 3 can be used in the same group. They cannot be used in the same group as VIVE XR Elite. After adding headsets to a group, you can check their battery level and connection status on the Device Management tab. You can also remotely manage the headsets, such as restart or power them off, sync content, and more. Add content from your tablet, headsets, or external websites to use in your group. You can include a wide range of media formats such as VR, MR, 360-degree photos and videos, WebXR, images, audio, videos, and web pages. Here's how to add content to a group. First, select a group. Tap the Content Management tab and then tap Add Module. Enter a name and description for the content. Next, tap Type. Select a content type, and then locate the content you want to add. Then tap Add. Repeat the above steps to add more types of content. Content will be added to the Content Management tab. VIVE Host will automatically sync them with the headsets when they're connected. After adding content, choose how you want your users to view the content on their headset by setting the control mode. Here's how. Tap Control Mode on the right. Tap All Broadcast to set broadcast mode for all headsets. This mode gives you full control over which content to launch on the headsets, allowing you to remotely start and stop the content from your tablet. Or tap All Free to set free mode for all headsets. In this mode, users can browse all available content and choose which one they want to view. You can also set different control modes for each headset individually. Simply tap Broadcast or Free next to each headset. Cast headsets to your tablet to see what your users are viewing on their headsets. Simply tap Casting on the right. A multi-screen window then appears, showing the screens of all the headsets. Tap a headset to display it in full screen. From here, you can unmute your microphone when you need to communicate with the user or mute back your microphone. Tap the Close button in the upper right to return to the multi-screen window. To learn more about using VIVE Host, check out the online help.